Oh, the beauty of a summer front porch. A place to sit quietly and just listen. Birds singing, a rushing mountain creek. A place to reflect and pray before starting every day. A place to breathe and just find peace. Oh, the beauty of a summer front porch. Hi everyone, I am back with a little front porch makeover. We love our porches, and they give us a lot of extra living space when the weather is nice. They do, however, get really dirty. We live in the woods by a creek, and the pollen here is just insane through the spring, so I usually wait until sometime in May to pressure wash everything. We also have to deal with algae, so I use a product called Wet and Forget that I just spray on after cleaning that works to organically stop the growth of all that. I found these louvered closet doors several years ago and thought they would be great as shutters. So they are on hinges and actually work. I do need to get 2 more sets though, so they will totally cover the doors when closed. I really like the architectural element they add. I like to have rugs on my porch, and when we moved here, I had 2 rugs I had bought from Big Lots that were just perfect. I loved the dark black with the floral, and they lasted for years before they finally started to get threadbare. I basically just kept them clean with the blower, and if I needed to wash them, I used the pressure washer. After that, I found some outdoor rugs, and we used those until they got threadbare and started coming apart, so I've actually been looking for something for several years, but just never could find exactly what I wanted. So I decided to try these washable rugs from Amazon. I really liked that they are black and have all of the colors that I use throughout the year. I got 2 in the 4x6 size, and these are actually currently $29 each. They are thin and they're not as heavy as what I've had before, but I guess that would be a thing with a washable rug. Now, I'm obviously not going to put these in my washing machine, but they would be really easy to pressure wash. I'm hoping the color stays bright, and we'll just see how they wear over time, but I really love how they look. Y'all know how I love to make bows out of strips of fabric, so I actually took one I'd made and added a strip of this Ralph Lauren sheet I had. I just make these like you would make a regular bow, but I add the different fabrics together, and then sometimes I use wire or whatever I have on hand to gather it together and secure it. I love making these because I feel like with fabric you can really change up a look, and it's so easy. I usually just tear the strips and then pull off the strings, and sometimes I use pinking shears, but it's easier to just tear the strips and then pull off any threads that are still hanging. This particular wreath is not even really a wreath. I just kind of made a circle with some grapevine we had here, and I use it all year round to just change out the bows, and I'll add some greenery at Christmas time. I really like the rustic kind of odd shape it has. have the green shutters, I try to be careful about green and red when it's not Christmas, so I wanted to add the lighter blue to the green and red. I made this red toile pillow cover years ago, and the blue ones actually came from, I think, Kmart years ago. I had some plaid flannel I thought would be really good to put on the table and just kind of tie everything together. I love to put plaids with florals, especially to kind of just break up some of that pattern. I just brought out some plants I've had inside and added some ferns. I didn't hang my ferns because I really don't like that they block so much of the view, so I usually just set some around on plant stands because I do love them. So I'll show you this front part of the porch, and I hope you enjoy this little makeover and the thorough cleaning this space got. We love this porch and enjoy sitting out here just having a cup of coffee and just listening to the sound of the creek and the many birds that we enjoy here. I'll also link a blog post with photos and details, so if you have any questions, please either leave them here in the comments or over on the blog. Thanks so much for stopping by the front porch, my friends.